Ever feel like you're pouring your heart into your content and getting a whole lot of crickets? Well, my friend, this video is going to change that. I'm going to show you a simple 3-step storytelling trick that Pixar uses in their movies. The same one that makes you laugh, makes you cry, and spend all your money at the movie theaters. And yes, you can use it to sell out your offers. Even if your audience is tiny, messy, and ads right now just want to make you cry. And stick around because I'm going to give you a free cheat sheet at the end so you can start applying this today. Truth bomb. People don't buy from bullet points. They buy because they feel something. Think about it. Pixar can make you cry over a lamp. So imagine when your content hits your audience right at their heart. If Pixar can make you cry over a desk toy, you can definitely sell out your offer with a story. So let's steal their secret sauce. Pixar has a secret weapon and it's wildly simple. It has 3 steps: problem, solution, payoff. That's how they pull you in, keep you watching, and leave you feeling transformed. And here's the good news. You can use this on Reels, YouTube videos, for your captions, your emails. Once you have this formula down, you'll never look at content or selling the same way again. Pixar always opens with a gut punch, something going wrong. Finding Nemo loses almost all his babies. Toy Story, Woody's world turns upside down when Buzz shows up. Hits you right in the heart, totally on purpose. Why? Because pain connects us fast to the heart. For example, in a business situation, I was showing up daily, dropping tips like candy, and still no sales. I felt invisible. You want to show that hard part, the hard struggle, so that people can trust you. I know the gurus say, sell the dream, but if you don't feel the pain, the payoff means nothing. And Pixar gets that. And then comes the journey. Cue the chaos. Marlin crosses the entire ocean. Woody teams up with the space guy Buzz that he can't stand. It's messy, it's wild, but it works. For example, I went to a workshop and the mentor said, your story can change lives. I went home and I filmed the ugliest video ever, and somehow it worked. People signed up. And I finally got it. It's not about being perfect, it's about being real and just showing up. The messy middle is the magic. If a toy cowboy can team up with a plastic spaceman, you can hit post on your content. Pixar always ends with change, with transformation. Marlin becomes braver and a more trusting dad. Woody learns there's room for everyone at the top. For example, in your business, yes, I sold out my offer, but the real win, I feel calm, I feel confident, and I'm finally loving my work again. People want to know what you've become, not just what you've made. Followers and cash are cute, but the real story, your growth, your becoming, and that's why people buy. Okay, your turn. Pick one tiny story from your week, run it through the Pixar formula, problem, solution, payoff. Doesn't have to be epic. Try this. I spilled coffee, thought my day was ruined, but slowing down gave me the best ideas all week. Post it, see what happens. And if you want an easy button version, grab my free Pixar storytelling cheat sheet down below. Want to know what most people totally miss? You don't end your story and just walk away. You invite people deeper. Pixar wraps things up. You should too with your offer. That's not being pushy, it's called being helpful. Leaving out your offer is like watching Finding Nemo and ending the movie before you even find Nemo. Like, what are we even doing? The same formula that made Pixar a billion-dollar empire can make your content unforgettable. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next storytelling trick. And make sure you grab your cheat sheet down below so you can start using the Pixar shortcut cheat sheet today. Just remember, problem, solution, payoff. That's how Pixar sells out in theaters, and that's how you can sell out your offer. You got this. We'll see you in the next one.